folks, welcome to another quick unboxing. Today I have the Topk D-line to micro USB cable voltage and current display cable. So this cost me just under £3 on AliExpress. Obviously it took quite some time to arrive, but it was worth it. Now I have already had a chance to have a look at this cable and I liked it, but now it's time to unbox my very own. So inside this generic packet you get the cable itself, and you get one of these handy cable ties. I'm pretty familiar with Topk products. I already currently have a Topk micro USB charger. It's one of these cool ones that does that. Those magnetic ones, and I really like it. It's been good for so long. I actually bought another one of those. But anyway, this is about this particular cable. So let's undo that. So the cable itself is 1 meter. Just to show you what this is. So what you do is you literally do that, and you can have it nicely organized like that. But anyway, regardless, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my keyboard forward. Now this should unveil my little hub. Right, so I'm going to connect that into there, and I'm going to take this little piece out of my phone. I'm going to connect this. So as you see, my phone is charging, but what's impressive, so here you have your current and voltage display. So that's the voltage as it is resembled by that little dot, which has now moved to the current. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's also a data transfer cable, which is awesome, as my other one isn't. At least I don't think it is. I haven't tried it yet.